Hi there! Today I'm going to show you how you can create a video with Canva just like this. To start, I'll sign in to my Canva for Education account by using my CCSD21 Google email. From the home page, I can either type keywords to search for a template, or I can use the Create a Design to start one from scratch. If you haven't already, I'd highly recommend watching our Canva poster tutorial to learn even more ways to start a project. The link is in the description box. Let's say I'm starting with a blank design. I'm going to create a video explaining what life was like in the 1920s for a social studies project. Since this is a video, I think it would be cool to have a clip in the background behind my words. In Elements, I'm going to search for keywords such as 1920s, 20s, vintage, or old-fashioned. Using a variety of keywords will give you different results. You can hover over a clip to preview it. Once I find a clip that I like, I will either click and drag it to the edge of the design, or I can right-click to stick it to the background. This clip is a little too busy for me, so I'm going to reduce the opacity here and make it less intense. These options are available for teachers, but note that for students, we've turned off the video and audio features due to inappropriate song lyrics. Unfortunately, there's only one switch for both audio and video. If Canva ever adds a setting to only allow age-appropriate music for students, we'll turn these options back on. Now I'll add my words by going to the T. I can resize the text box to change the font size. I can go up here to choose a font. Similar to videos, you can use keywords to look for vintage fonts. I can change the letter and line spacing here. You can use effects to help make your words stand out. Something else I like to do is search for dark shadow and put this behind the words to make them pop in a subtle way. This looks great. I imagine that I'll only need this intro on the screen for around 5 seconds. I can use these sliders to crop the scene. I can also double-click the scene to crop a more specific section of that scene. I'll click the plus to add my next scene. I'd like to talk about the booming economy in the 20s, but all these clips look too modern. We can give them a vintage look by clicking Edit Video. This first tool is awesome for removing the background of a video for a green screen type effect. It works best on short videos. We can also choose a filter here. Or, what I want is to use the Adjust sliders to change this to a desaturated black and white image. Great! I added a few words, and now we can explore some transitions and animations. If I hover between my two scenes, I can add a new page, or in my case, a transition. Hover over the options to preview. You can also change the timing and direction. If you click on a page or an individual element, you can also add an animation. I've added a few more scenes, and now we're going to add narration. To do this, we'll go to Share, More, and Present and Record. This option allows us to voice over the video. I'll have my camera turned off for this video, and I'll check that my microphone is selected. When I record, I can click through the slides to read. And before recording, I could have even written some notes to remember what to say. I'll click here when I'm done, and I'll save and exit. Now my recording will be in the Upload section. I will make sure the player head is at the beginning, and I'll click to insert the audio. I'll want to turn the volume up on my voice, since I plan to add music in the background. To add music, you'll go to Apps, and choose Audio to add it to your side menu like it is on mine. You can use keywords such as 20s, jazz, or vintage to find a song with the right mood. Click the thumbnail to play a few seconds. Then click the song title to add it in. I will lower the volume of the music. Now I'll make sure my clips match the timing of my voiceover, and I'll show you how to download the video. I will go up here to preview the video and check that everything is timed correctly. Once I'm done, I will click Share, Download. We'll do a high quality MP4 video, or you could also turn a short video into a GIF if you wanted. I will click Download, and that's it. We recently added district logos, fonts, and colors to Canva. You can access those right here. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Like and subscribe for more education technology videos.